I've always wondered why a ship weighing tens of tons, made entirely of metal, can float on water. It sounds impossible. But the science behind it is both simple and fascinating. Let's explore it together. Imagine a simple piece of wood measuring 10 by 4 by 2 centimeters. Its volume is 80 cubic centimeters. The density of wood ranges from 0.3 to 0.9 grams per cubic centimeter. Let's take the average, 0.5 grams per cubic centimeter. That means the wood weighs about 40 grams. Now let's compare that to water. Water has a density of 1 gram per cubic centimeter, so the same volume of water weighs 80 grams. The conclusion is simple. Wood is less dense than water, so it floats. That's why wooden rafts stay on the surface. But iron is very different. Iron has a density of 7.8 grams per cubic centimeter. Using the same calculation, the same volume of iron weighs 624 grams. That's 8 times heavier than water. So when a solid block of iron falls into water, it sinks. So why don't iron ships sink? The secret is air. If iron is shaped into a hollow structure and filled with air, its overall density drops dramatically. The bottom of a ship, the hull, is designed as a massive air chamber. It doesn't need to be perfectly sealed, but its presence alone greatly lowers the ship's average density, allowing it to float. As long as the air remains inside, the ship stays buoyant. But if water enters the hull, the air volume decreases, the ship becomes heavier, and it may begin to sink. That's why ships are divided into watertight compartments. If one section floods, it can be sealed off, preventing water from spreading through the entire ship. But floating isn't the only concern. Ships must also balance stability and speed. A V-shaped hull reduces water resistance, making a ship faster and more agile, though slightly less stable. A flat-bottom hull is slower, but far more stable, making it ideal for cargo ships. One final detail you may have noticed. The bottoms of ships are often painted red. This isn't ordinary paint. It's a special coating containing copper oxide, designed to prevent marine organisms from attaching to and corroding the hull. That's the secret behind floating ships. By using air to reduce density, carefully shaping the hull, and protecting it with science, even massive steel ships can float on water.